In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge iPhone with power bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which power bank model you have, you can easily charge your iPhone. To do this, you will need the proper cable. And like I said before, any model will work. For this video, I chose an Anker power bank as an example because I believe they make high quality power banks overall. But any power bank will do. First, make sure that it is sufficiently charged. Usually, you will see power ports labeled as input, and this is where you will be able to connect the power bank to a power outlet to charge it fully. Once it is sufficiently charged, usually indicated by the LEDs, you can connect it to different devices such as an iPhone to charge them. So, to establish this connection, look at the charging port on your iPhone and plug in a cable. This is either going to be Lightning or USB-C depending on the model of iPhone that you are using. Make sure that you use the proper cable. And now the other end of the cable is going to go into the power bank. If you have ports that are USB-C, usually these are going to be better. But if you don't have any USB-C ports, like this example here on this model, or you don't want to use USB-C, you don't have a cable, that's fine as well. Simply establish a connection within any of the available ports. Usually they will be labeled with different technologies. So this one from Anker, for example, has IQ and then IQ3, which uses USB-C. Usually there might be some faster ports, so always try to read the manual to see which port is the fastest for you to charge. And as long as you have the connection established between the power bank and the iPhone, the power is going to be transferred accordingly. Once the power bank runs out of battery, these LEDs here are going to dim out, and then you just recharge it by plugging it into any valid power source. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge iPhone 15 or any iPhone model with power bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.